visual for 22 left.
American 2 Heavy, 22 left, you clear to land.
Clear to land. 22 left. Your localizer is not orange.
Okay, I will double check it. American 2 Heavy, they just reset it. Should be coming back up in a little while. Wind now 32023, gusting to 35.
American 22. We can't land on 22. We're breaking off approach, and if you don't give us to runway 31 right, we're going to declare emergency.
All right, I'll pass it along. Fly runway heading for now.
Okay, we're declaring emergency. We're going to land 31 right. We're going to the left, and then we're coming around.
American 2 Heavy, just fly runway heading.
The area.
Okay, you're saying you're declaring an emergency at this?
3 times I've told you that. 3 times we're declaring an emergency.
Okay, I just want to verify. I know you told me if you didn't get 31 right, you would have to declare emergency. Okay, I understand. Fly runway heading, and I got to get you a turn.
No, we can't.
JetBlue 62, the left on Alpha and monitor ground to the ramp.
That's Alpha, I'm on the ground. JetBlue 62. Tower, check 12, with the AAL2 to left.
Yes, American 2243, Kennedy Tower, hold short. American 2243, advise when you're ready. I head in 180.
You know, American 2 Heavy, we are turning around to the left here and landing on 3-1. Remove everybody from our way. We've declared an emergency. We're on a visual.
All right, American 2 Heavy, 31 right, clear to land with 31024, gusting to 34.
Thank you. Clear to land on runway 31 right, American 2 Heavy.
Cactus 12, maintain 2000, cancel approach clearance.
Maintain 2000, cancel approach clearance, check 12. After Cactus 12, sir, there was no ILS up for that runway.
Cactus 12, just fly, runway heading for now, maintain 2000.
Maintain runway heading, sure, Cactus 12.
2243, hold position.
2243, hold position.
American 2243, are you past the whole bars?
Yes, we are, American 2243.
All right, American 2243, need you to move. I got traffic inbound, so make the left turn. A left turn, no delay on runway 22 right, left on Foxtrot Bravo.
Okay, a left turn on 22 right, a left on Foxtrot Bravo, American 2243.
Cactus 12, you can turn left head in 180, maintain 3000.
Without American 2243.
So 550, Kennedy Tower, continue for runway 22 right, get traffic clearing, winds 310 at 23.
I will continue, Delta 550.
Cactus 12, continue on at 180, contact New York on 132.4.
32-4, good day, Cactus 12.
Short of runway 22 right.
Okay, a left is Charlie, short of 22 right, American 2243.
Delta 550, wind 310 at 21, runway 22 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 22 right at Delta 550.
American 2 Heavy, left here, right Bravo, ground is .65.
Okay, we're turning left here, and you want us to go right on Bravo for American 2 Heavy?
Right Bravo, ground is .65.
0.65 for ground, right on Bravo, American 2 Heavy.